Naturally Marked here. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam. Bam. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as always, like we do here on this channel, we're getting right into the video. First off, if you ever skip anything in my videos, you're missing a lot of information because I start these videos out getting into the nitty gritty. If you've been here for a long time, please leave comments down below and tell everybody I don't waste time and I do not play games when I'm making these videos. So if you skip, girl, you're going to ask me a stupid question in the comment section. So now that I got that out the way, what I'm doing with my hair today is a curl former set. You guys, I just washed a deep conditioner treatment out of my hair. I think I have a lot of them up on my channel, but that's what you guys see me doing is washing out my deep conditioner, washing out my leave-in or my conditioner for, you know, my shampoo and stuff. And now after I've done my full wash day routine, I could have just said that in the first place because it's my wash day routine. So after I got finished doing my full wash day routine, I am prepping my hair to start doing curl formers. I have not did a curl former set on my hair in quite some time, and my sister-in-law actually got me to do another curl former set, and I was like, okay girl, I'll do one because I ain't did one in a long time. But you guys, I'm in a chatty mood today, obviously. Y'all are going to get a long chatty video today. Okay, so what I'm putting in my hair right now is my DIY hair gel. And you guys, I put too much in my hair. And yes, that is a ice cream jar because, like I said before, I like to reuse a lot of stuff. And that's what I'm putting in my hair. It's not ice cream. It's actually my DIY hair gel. But, you know, once I started putting my curl formers in my hair after applying the gel, I kind of realized, like, girl, you still being too heavy-handed with your products. So what I'm doing, I just got done showering, like I said before, or washing my hair. I'm putting all of my products on my hair in the shower. I will apply my DIY gel to each section of my hair. And honestly, I should have stopped here, but I didn't. I applied more product on my hair to each section as I was putting the curl firmers on my hair, and I shouldn't have done that, and you're gonna see why at the end. But I did fix the problem of the flaking, but I should have literally just stopped right here. Like, I'm so used to my hair being so thick, you guys. I'm still recovering from post-COVID hair shedding, so I am, like I said, recovering. So, quick tip is to put on whatever you're going to put on. If you're doing a curl former set, you know why. Why? I'm going to tell you why. The reason why you put on whatever you're going to sleep in, because after you put these curl formers in your hair, you're not going to be able to take off your shirt or put on another shirt. So I completely showered, got myself dry, got myself clean, and put on what I was going to sleep in, because like I said, you're not going to be able to take off any type of shirt with curl formers in your hair. One quick tip that my sister-in-law Tiara actually told me was you need to put all of the pink rollers on the right side, which is you guys' right, so I believe it's my left. Yes, it's my left. So put all the pink rollers on the left side and then put all the orange rollers on the right side. And I was like, why? Why would you do that? She said because the curl forms going backwards. So if you're just putting all the colors catawonky throughout your head, she was like, your curls won't lay right and it'll look kind of weird, but I mean, you'll still have a perfect curl. And I was like, do you know how many times I've done curl formers and I didn't think that it made a difference which way to curl or which color I was putting in my hair? But you guys, literally made the hugest difference in the planet. I kid you not. I was just like, this is the new thing since blue jeans. For real, for real. Y'all, it was so crazy. My curls looked so perfect, but I was just so mad at myself because you guys see I'm rubbing stuff in my hair. I'm putting more product on my hair. And something was screaming at me, was like, you're putting too much product on there. But I was just like, no, I'm not. Like, I want my hair to have extra hold, whatever. But I literally put too much product in my hair, so it flaked. But because it's my product, I knew that I could fix it. And I don't know if I'm going to disclose the tip. I am. I'm not going to be petty. Y'all, just put oil on my hair because it's a natural product. I literally could just put oil on my hair and the flakes went away like really, really fast. And then my camera died because this process take an hour, like a full hour. I forgot how many curl formers I used, but yeah, you guys, my camera cut off a couple times. Here, I'm trying to fake my background. But yeah, you guys, this is how I slept. This is how I put my head rag on just to keep them out of my face. And I sleep pretty comfortably with my curl formers in my hair. I did sit under a hooded dryer for about 2 hours, and I made sure that I took one curl former out of my hair, like the back. But you guys, literally, I just woke up and I'm just like, hey, I don't feel like making my bed. I just need to take these curl formers out of my hair. And that's what I did. So I'm just like, dang, y'all, I literally got like, I got flakes in my head, but like I said before, I fixed the flakes yet again, but I was so surprised at the hold and how soft my hair was. I was absolutely pleased with how soft my hair was, but I should have just put less product in my hair. But you guys, it was actually like a really, really pretty curl former set. So yeah, I'm gonna let you guys just watch me take the curl formers out. Actually, before I leave, how you take the curl formers out, I know that curl formers has been around for so long now, but you just hold the top, pinch it open, and then gently yank down at the bottom. So that's how you get it off of your hair. Like, once again, you just hold the top firm, pinch it where it opens at the top, straighten it out, and then you just slide the curl former down off of your hair. So yeah, you guys, I was, like I said, I'm super happy and pleased with the results. Besides the flaking, I put too much product, so I am gonna do this again. I'm actually only gonna use oil the next time that I do a curl former set, just to see if I get the same result. You guys, I did, like I said before, put a hooded dryer on my head for about like an hour or two. I think I was under there for about like a good solid hour, and then the last hour it was kind of off and on, and then I slept in my curl formers because for my hair I just noticed that it's way better if I sleep in my curl formers in my head and I don't have to worry about if all of the curls got dry. So yeah, they were all 100% dry, and once again, I absolutely love the results. So I am going to stop rambling, just let you guys watch the end of the video, and I will do another video showing you guys what my hair looked like. Y'all, I even turned out the light, was just like, if I'm in the dark, my curls look real good. Like, you can't see the flakes. Like, you can't see the flakes. It's okay. But I actually fixed the flakes with just putting my DIY oil on the top of my hair. So if you ever use maybe flaxseed oil, or if you do the what do you call it? I will leave the video down below of my DIY, because I can't think of, I think it's guar gum. No, it's something like that. I'll leave the video down below of how you make like a DIY hair gel, because I'm having a brain fart right now. But yes, guys, love the results. So yeah, I'll do another video so that I don't have to fake the flakes. Oh my gosh, and one more thing before I leave off of here. Can you believe I've been already talking for like 10 minutes and like 15 seconds or whatever? But you guys, look how long my curls are. And then for you guys that have stayed this long, this is me faking it. I'm faking like the curls. But here's a quick length check for you guys. Don't tell me that Black Girl Magic hair is not real, because look at the length. Look at this length, y'all. And if y'all are wondering like how long my hair is, it's literally about maybe a good inch and a half from, I will say a good inch from the top of my pants. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.